Alright, let's dive right into the heart of dropshipping success. Imagine you've got a digital toolbox, right? Now, in this toolbox, you're gonna want the best gadgets and gizmos that the world of AI has to offer. Why? Because hitting that sweet 10,000 in a week isn't just a dream, it's totally doable with the right tools at your disposal. So, buckle up as we explore the top 5 AI tools every dropshipper needs to not just survive, but thrive and make bank. 1. The Trend Spotter Google Trends. First up, we've got Google Trends. Think of it as your crystal ball into what's hot and what's not. This nifty tool lets you peek into the minds of your potential customers by showing you the latest trends. Whether it's the newest gadget on the block or a viral kitchen tool, Google Trends helps you stay ahead of the curve. It's like having a fortune teller in your pocket, but for market trends. 2. The Ad Genius Facebook Ad Library. Next, we're talking about the Facebook Ad Library. Ever felt like you're shooting in the dark with your ads? Well, not anymore. This tool is like having a sneak peek at your competitor's playbook. It lets you see every ad they're running, giving you the inside scoop on what works and what doesn't. It's like being a fly on the wall in your competitor's marketing meetings, absolutely golden for crafting winning ad strategies. 3. The Copy Wizard Jasper AI. Now, let's chat about Jasper AI. Ever stared at a blank screen, wishing the words would just write themselves? Jasper's your guy. This AI-powered tool crafts compelling product descriptions, catchy ads, and even blog posts in a snap. It's like having a 24/7 copywriter on your team, minus the coffee breaks. With Jasper, you're never at a loss for words. 4. The Design Maestro Canva. Moving on to Canva, this isn't just any design tool. It's your brand's best friend. With Canva, creating stunning visuals for your store, social media, or ads is as easy as pie. And the best part, you don't need to be a design whiz to make it look professional. It's like having a personal graphic designer who gets you, your brand, and your vibe. 5. The Market Analyzer SEMrush. Last, but definitely not least, we've got SEMrush. Picture this: you're on a treasure hunt, but instead of a map, you have SEMrush. This tool digs deep into keywords, SEO strategies, and what your competition is up to online. It's like having a spyglass that shows you exactly where the treasure, aka your target audience, is hiding. So there you have it, folks, top 5 AI tools that are absolute game changers for any dropshipper looking to hit that 10,000 mark in a week. With these tools in your arsenal, you're not just playing the game, you're setting the rules. Now, go out there, give them a whirl, and watch as your dropshipping empire reaches new heights. Happy selling!